What's up, everybody? We got a new video. I know y'all see that title. I know you see the thumbnail. Oh yeah, by the way, do not mind my socks. They're a little old, but that's not the point. We're getting straight into this. Yes, we are. Yeah. Get right. So today we are lacing up a pair of Air Jordan 11s. One of the recent drops too, the Air Jordan 11 Bred Velvet. I still love these, I ain't gonna lie. Whoever's sleeping on these is crazy. I don't give a crap, you tripping. Anyways, let's get straight into this. Pull the other shoe out. Let's get the box out of here. Front. Wow. As you can see, got the laces already out inside the shoe. You feel me? Yes, sir. Feel me? These joints is nice. I ain't gonna hold you. Keep sleeping if you want to, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lace these up, show you what they look like on feet, so stay tuned to that. Start from the left foot to the right foot. I'll show y'all the shoe one more time. It looked like a bunch of diamonds. Like, it looked like ice. Like, you understand what I'm saying? Like, if you see what I'm saying, you see what I'm saying. Like, you gotta understand, like, these joints glistening. There's a lot of people that probably is sleeping on them, but sleep if you want. It's still bread, you understand what I'm saying? Heavy on that. Get your money up. Don't get your dummy up. Always remember that. Foot inside the shoe. Perfect fit. Got the black Nike Tech on. You better know. Always wear Nike. You feel me? All right. Let me get the shoelaces so y'all can see the laces. I really like this material. This material is freaking sick. Metal shoelace tips. Metal. So I give credit when it's due. All right, feel me? Two shoelace to shoelace, grab them, just pull them in just like that, y'all. Just like that, word of mother, literally just like that. You don't even need to do too much with Jordan 11s, I promise you. Make sure they're even, and make sure they're nice and loose. You understand what I'm saying? Now that that's right there, let's get the lacing. Jordan 11s is hands down one of the easiest Jordans to lace up. I wanna say like next to Jordan 1s and 3s. Can't name another sneaker that's as easy as the 11s, 1s, and the 3s. Certain sneakers be pissing me off. Like the Jordan 6s, oh my goodness. Certain Jordans be pissing me off. Oh yeah, I'm already liking the way these is coming. Yeah. Right up there, right up there. Certain tweaks and adjustments. Just bear with me if you don't mind. So let me loosen them out, because I like to loosen them out like this instead of like doing all that extra shit. Excuse my French. Quiet. Yeah, they're even, they're straight. Calm. See now, if I don't want the thing to come out and do all this crazy stuff, sometimes I like to fold it and put a little knot right here. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like, at least it dangles. It's not gonna come outside of the hole. You understand what I'm saying? So I like to put this in a little knot, make sure they're even. Yeah. Whoop-de-whoop. Feel me? Just like that. Okay, I got them on feet. I ain't gonna lie, these joints look fire on feet. Word of my mother. If you're not dragging these home, want some Nike Tech with you feel me? You understand? You gotta understand, son. You understand, son? I've been telling y'all this for a while now, son. Y'all gotta bring that bread up. Y'all tripping. Let's see if I can get like a whole shot around the foot. You understand what I'm saying? You gotta understand, like these joints is hard. I'm really a one-man army out here, y'all. I wouldn't say a one man. If you know, you know. But like I said, don't forget to like, comment. Let me zoom in on these. Subscribe. Turn that big red on. Whatever you see red, press that subscribe. You feel me? You see that? That's bread. Bred 11. Velvet. Yeah.